It's Saturday night and nandito tayo sa At Home with Chef Gene. Ito po ang gagawin natin ngayon. Gagawa tayo ng simple but very elegant Japanese meal. And gagawin natin right in front of our table. We are going to use the American Heritage, no? We're going to use, para may presentation tayo, gamit tayo ng American Heritage 180, yung healthy cook and grill. Ito po yan. So, this is a double grill. You can cook your steak. Ayan, no? You can cook your steak here. You can cook other things here. Like you can even heat up stews or what. Pero, i-turn on na natin to. Okay, let's turn this on. Ito is for the bottom plate switch. And then this is for the upper plate switch. So, iinitin natin po to. So, very simple Japanese meal. Anong gagawin natin? Chicken teriyaki. And aside from the chicken teriyaki, we're going to make yasai itame. So, what are we going to do with the chicken teriyaki? We're going to grill it there on the grill. And we'll need some chopstick ready pieces. So, pwede nating parang i-yakiniku. Okay? Pero, ang pagluto ay yakiniku, pero ite-teriyaki natin yung ating manok. Ito, binili lang sa supermarket. And these are leg and thigh pieces. We will marinate this. Okay, we put this here in our pan. We can marinate this. Okay, what do we need as our marinade? Okay, we will need some ginger, okay, pepper, sugar, okay, and yung lalagay natin na liquid, lalagyan natin ng mirin or sweet rice wine, okay, and aside from the mirin that we're putting, okay, you can put a little bit more of the a little more what do you call this, a little more rice wine or sake, and we can put some dashi. Okay, dashi, yan yung stock na ginagamit nila, flavor base na ginagamit ng mga Japanese na mga chef, no? And we will put soy sauce. This will be our marinade. And we'll let this stand for a while. We'll let this stand for a while. Okay? Maybe we can put in our leeks na rin. Okay? Itong dalawang leek ilalagay ko sa gulay natin. Okay? And this is so convenient because all you gotta do is put this on the tabletop and you can do your yakiniku already. Okay? So, anong kailangan naman natin sa ating yasai itame? Yung gulay natin, meron na tayong protein, meron na tayong main course, manok, meron na tayong yasai itame. What do we need? We need pork belly. Okay? We need mixed vegetables, leeks, green pepper, okay, konting ginger, okay, and we need toge, onion, and we need some shredded cabbage. So, puputulin ko na tong pork belly natin. Going to cut our pork belly. Okay. And the pork belly will come here. Okay. Diyan muna yan. Okay, and I'm going to put a nice glob of butter on our grill. Okay? Siyempre, dapat masarap na butter. Para masarap din ang ating produkto. Masarap din yung ating yasay itame. Ating vegetable. So, I'm gonna put our butter. We're gonna put our butter there. Tapos itong ating, we'll put some salt and pepper on the teriyaki, on the marinade, on our chicken that's marinating. Okay, ito na yung ating yasay. Okay, and what you wanna do, okay, mag-sweat yung ating pork. Okay, our pork is sweating right now. Okay, so imagine niyo nasa tabletop, lagay lang niyo yung ingredients nyo, lagay ng ganyan. Pwede kayong nag-uusap, may konting drinks, o kaya may konting wine, o may konting beverage. Okay, maganda tong nasa harap nyo, yung pagkain, and always talagang mainit. Kasi galing talaga sa bagong gisa, no? So, ito, we put some onion and we put some garlic. Okay, and then I'm gonna put green pepper and leeks. Wow, I can smell that butter. That butter smells so good. Okay, and ito naman, yung ating chicken, we can start grilling our chicken. Okay, good. Maybe we should put a little butter to give it some slide. Yep. Give it some slide. We're gonna grill our chicken, and habang ginagawa natin, nakagisa na itong yasay itame natin, then we put in our carrots. And we put in our hondashi granules, our hondashi powder, to give it a really Japanese character. There you go. Beautiful. So, yun na lang. Tatakbo na yung ano natin. So, ito na yung ating chicken. And you can grill your chicken Okay, and now it's time to put our bean sprouts. for our yasay. And let's slice some cabbage. And that's it. There you go. We've got our yasay. There. So, pwede nang diretso kumuha dito. That's, kung nasa harap na ng table nyo to, kukuha na lang, no? So, I'm going to put some salt and pepper. Here's some salt. I'm gonna put some pepper. I'll use some white pepper this time. Okay. Lagyan natin ng konti pang konting soy sauce. And we're ready to eat our yasay. And we just have to flip this chicken. I'm gonna get some of the chicken marinade. While we're caramelizing the chicken, kukuha ako ng konting marinade at lulutuin natin yung teriyaki sauce. Ito, ilalagay ko yung ibang leeks dito. Here's some of the marinade I'm cooking to make thicker into a sauce. And I'll just put a little double A powder on the marinade. Pagkulo niyan, ganda yan. Sauce na siya. Okay, and here's our chicken. Okay, nagka-caramelize na rin ang ating teriyaki chicken. Oh wow, look, that's so beautifully golden. Lagyan natin ng konti pang dashi. And here's our marinade. I'm cooking it into a teriyaki sauce so that we can put it on top of our chicken. Let it boil. Let's put in a little mirin pa. Okay, here's our, wow, you can see our chicken teriyaki. Wow, that's so here's our yasay. As you can see, our vegetables are cooked to point. Okay? Hindi siya well done. Tamang-tama lang. Oh, that's good. Saka, ang sarap kasi mainit. Okay, babalik na rin ko lang itong chicken pa. Okay, and here is our marinade sauce. Nilagyan ko ng double A powder para kumapal. And so our teriyaki chicken doesn't overcook. Maganda yung yung non-stick surface, no? So there you go. Either you present this on the table, tas kuha na lang ng kuha, kain na lang ng kain, or you can serve it this way and serve it on the table. Look how beautifully brownish gold that is. Wow, that is really delicious. Okay, and we put a little teriyaki sauce, and there we have our chicken teriyaki and yasai itame, a simple 2-course Japanese menu. Gusto nyo maging 3 courses? Kayang-kaya, sandali lang po to. Okay, what you need is some wakame. Okay, buy that from the Japanese store, seaweed. Okay, you soak it. It multiplies by 20 times. Lagyan natin ng leeks. Lagyan natin ng water. Okay. Konting dashi. A little soy sauce. Okay. Follow me. It's very easy. And our main flavoring, which is miso. And we have our miso wakame soup. And if you like, pwede pa lagyan ng tofu, ng tokwa. Your call. Pero this is the soup already. So you have a complete soup for your Japanese meal. Okay, lagyan natin ng tofu. That's it. And you have a meal that's good for 2 to 4 people. Wow. Look at that. Well, it's time to say thank you to our friends. Maraming salamat sa Healthy Chef Soya Oil. And be sure you get a copy of my book in National Bookstore, Tropical Cocktails, 100 plus recipes of delicious tropical cocktails that will cool you down, give you a nice celebration. Okay? Ayan po ang bagong libro ko. And maraming salamat po sa Magnolia for our butter. Siyempre, you have good Japanese food. Pwedeng magnolia butter ang gagamitin. Tapos, thank you din sa Masflex and thank you sa Kitchen Pro. All these beautiful kitchen gadgets would not be possible if there would be no Masflex or Kitchen Pro, even pagdating sa knives. Lagyan natin ng sesame oil yung ating chicken teriyaki. Tapos, of course, maraming salamat din sa ating mga taga-panood na sumusunod sa atin na from Friday, sumunod na kayo to Saturday. Maraming salamat po. And okay, thank you. Again, thank you very much. Lalo na pagdating sa ating mga kaibigan, Masflex, Kitchen Pro, Magnolia, Healthy Chef, and of course, American Heritage. Ito ang ating cooker, ang ating 180 grill, and of course, our induction burner. Thank you, and I hope to be seeing you next week for another exciting, easy to prepare home recipe. Salamat pong marami. At ako'y kakain ha. Mmm.